Millions of years ago, long before humans walked the earth, dinosaurs dominated an extraordinary world of forests, rivers, and open plains. Here, for many plant-eating dinosaurs, safety came from numbers. Herds provided hundreds of eyes, allowing danger to be detected long before it could strike. Food was everywhere, but finding enough of it was a daily challenge. Specialized jaws and teeth allowed different dinosaur species to exploit different plants and avoid direct competition. But where herbivores gathered, predators followed. At the top of this ecosystem stood one of the most formidable hunters ever to walk the earth, the Tyrannosaurus rex. Despite its enormous size, the Tyrannosaur could not simply waste energy chasing every potential meal. Successful hunting required patience, awareness, and choosing the right opportunity. One movement can change everything. A single alert animal could warn an entire herd that danger was approaching. When the moment came, the predator had to commit. A chase across open ground demanded enormous amounts of energy, and failure could mean going hungry. For the young, the safest place was often the center of the herd. Adults could use their size to make attacking a juvenile far more dangerous. Rivers were both lifelines and hazards. They provided water, vegetation, and pathways across the landscape, but every crossing exposed dinosaurs to hidden dangers. Beneath the surface was another world, filled with fish, reptiles, and creatures adapted to the ancient waterways. Not every dinosaur was a giant. Smaller species occupied completely different ecological niches, using speed, agility, and keen senses to survive. Some dinosaurs survived by becoming enormous. Their size offered protection, while allowing them to reach food unavailable to smaller animals. Different feeding heights reduced competition. While smaller herbivores fed near the ground, giants could exploit vegetation high above them. Nothing was wasted. After a large animal died, scavengers quickly transformed its remains into food, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. For dinosaurs, survival began before birth. Nesting grounds became vital places where the next generation could develop. Eggs were vulnerable to predators, temperature changes, and environmental hazards. Adults that remained nearby could dramatically improve the chances of their offspring surviving. After weeks of development, the hatchlings emerged. Their first moments were among the most dangerous of their lives. For the young, every journey was a lesson. They had to learn where to find food, where to drink, and how to recognize danger. Predators did not need to defeat an entire herd. Their opportunity came when a young or isolated animal became separated from protection. Some herbivores evolved extraordinary defensive weapons. Horns, powerful tails, and enormous body size could turn a vulnerable animal into a dangerous opponent. Defense could be just as important as offense. For heavily armored dinosaurs, the tail became a powerful weapon capable of discouraging even determined predators. Predators were not the only threat. Storms, floods, droughts constantly tested the limits of dinosaur survival. Yet life was remarkably resilient. Rain brought water, renewed vegetation, and new opportunities for animals that had survived the storm. For more than 160 million years, dinosaurs adapted, competed, reproduced, and evolved across changing worlds. Their story was not